Hey, welcome back, my fellow investors. It's me, E.T. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a self-taught investor who likes to think of ways to increase one's net worth. And as you guys know, one of the companies that I have my eye on, and I'm actually establishing a very long position on, is ILUS International. As you can see from the press release headlines, they just acquired another U.S. company as it relates to fire protection. And this company is Precision Powered Products. We're going to call it the 3Ps, all right, or 3P. And let's talk a little bit more about 3P. This here is a fire pump systems manufacturing company. It was founded in 1987. It's located in Houston, Texas. It serviced the oil and gas sector. The facility is a 16,000 square foot facility. They have a total of 15 employees, and this is a profitable company. The annual revenue is $8 million a year. Some of their clients: BP, British Petroleum, Shell, Exxon is in the Exxon Mobil, and Anadarko. All of these are major players when it comes to the oil and gas sector. Now, ILUS International will use Triple P for the hub for the firebugs, fire pump, and related equipment, so far as the manufacturing for those things. Remember, the firebug is that fire rescue vehicles that ILUS have. Bullhead Products will order. And remember, Bullhead Products is the company that we just recently acquired out of Kodak, Tennessee. And that's a company that works with conversions of trucks. And what they're going to do is they're going to use Triple P. They're going to order all of their firefighting vehicle pumps from Triple P. And then they're going to use that Georgia company will to distribute the ILUS products throughout the United States. Now, supposedly this company is the leading distributor of fire protection products and equipment in the United States. Now, that one there, we still don't know the name of that company because I guess they haven't notified all of the employees. That's what we're waiting for. Because it's taking so long with that one there, I'm thinking maybe there may be some problems with that. I don't know, time will tell. But if you think about it, they acquired that Georgia company before, Bullhead Products and before Triple P. Triple P and Bullhead, we know, Bullhead, we know the name of the companies and everything else. We're still waiting for this one here. So that gives me an indication that maybe some problems, especially since that was one of the first acquisitions that they had. But also, if you remember from the last press release, they talked about acquiring a company in Florida, a fire suppression company in Florida. So we haven't heard from that. That's probably the next one that's going to be released. Now that we have some background information, and this is just nothing more than a summary of all the information that's in that press release, now let's take a look at the price action and my current position. All right, fellow investors, let's go ahead and get into this. This here is just the company profile of ILUS. Go ahead and read that over if you like. If you want to get a copy of that, the link is in the description. This is the website for Triple P. The website address is at the bottom. Those of you catching up, this here is the website for Bullhead and what they do. And this here just shows you some of the conversions that they have for the fire and rescue related vehicles that they converted. Now let's go over the price action for ILUS International. All right, this here is a 1 day, a 24-hour price action for the stock here. And as you can see on Thursday, and today is Friday, the 22nd of October. As you can see on Thursday, it closed at 35 cents and it opened today at 30, might as well say 33 cents. We see what happened. It fell right off the bat to 33 cents and it looks like it's trying to climb back. This here is a 1 month performance of it. We see that back in September, it hit a high of 48 cents and it's been trending down since then. And one of the things that we notice here is that it looks like it's establishing a support of 30 cents. And this is a 1 year chart of it. And as you can see, wow, look at this 1 year trend line going from here to here. That's a nice trend line. But Also here, if you just look at the short term, once again, it looks like it's trying to establish a support of 30 cents. And that would actually be a good thing for it to move even higher. So far for today, we're only talking about 3 hours into the trading day. It's already trading at 12 million shares, and the 10-day average is 14 million, well, almost 15 million. Now let's take a look at my position within ILUS. All right, here is my position in ILUS. I have a total of 10,000 shares. As you can see, I just bought 750 shares to get my 10,000 shares today. And I bought it at 34 cents and it went down to 32 cents, but that's okay. Overall, I'm still up 8%. I have it, my cost basis is 30 cents. So there you have it. I have a total of 10,000 shares of ILUS at a cost basis of 30 cents. I'm not going to add any more positions, shares to my position until we start to see some further price increase. I don't believe we're going to see those price increases until after the release of the third quarter's earnings, financial earnings reports. That's not scheduled until the 15th of November. Once that comes out, we can take a look and see exactly what the numbers are and also what else is in there that can possibly move that stock price higher. I think if nothing else, we're going to maintain around that support of about 30 cents. Hopefully we don't break through that. If that's the case, you know, we can see the 20s and see the teens before the earnings report. It's quite obvious that ILUS is planning on being a go-to company when it comes to all things fire protection, not only in the United States, but also in the world. When I say fire protection, I'm talking about the full gamut. I'm talking about fire protection, fire suppression, and rescue. So that's what they're setting themselves up to be. It's definitely the go-to company. Now, guys, if you really want to go over all the details as why I'm sold on ILUS, I made a video on it, and I'll put the link in the description below and also at the end of this video. So if you're interested in knowing all the other reasons why I'm so sold on ILUS, definitely check out that video. With all that being said, guys, remember these three things. You got to save. You got to have that emergency fund. You got to invest. You got to put your money to work. Make your money make money for you. And the last thing is definitely apply what you know, because knowledge is not power. It's the application of knowledge that's power. Hey guys, I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.